Homa Bay Women Representative Gladys Wanga can now breathe a sigh of relief after the High Court issued conservatory orders restraining Inspector General of Police and the Director of Public Prosecution from arresting her. In a certificate of urgency filed before Justice Chacha Mwita, Wanga argued that if her application is not heard expeditiously, there is a real danger that the applicant's constitutional rights are likely to be infringed upon. Wanga, who has since been summoned by the Directorate of Criminal Investigations over a breach of peace probe, further argues that Acting Interior CS Fred Matiang'i stepped outside his mandate by directing that she be summoned without giving details of the offense she may have committed. The suit filed by Wanga and 4 others against Matiang'i, Police Boss Joseph Boynet and DPP Kiriako Tobiko will be heard on 7th November this year.
Dated 23rd September.
Meanwhile, the High Court has allowed Embakasi East Member of Parliament Babu Owino and 2 other respondents to properly file their responses outside timelines. Justice Joseph Sergon, while dismissing the application by Jubilee Party's Francis Wambugu, seeking the court to strike out Babu's response, said it will be unfair to have the petition proceed without giving the respondents a hearing if he allowed the application.
Only I am satisfied that I should exercise my discretion in favor of the respondents. I am convinced they have given plausible reasons as to why they did not respond to the petition within the time prescribed by the rules. I have no reason to doubt or to disbelieve the respondents' assertion that they did not see the newspaper advert of 8th September 2017.
Jubilee Party's Francis Wambugu had moved to court seeking to have Babu Owino's response struck out, arguing that it was filed outside the 7-day stipulated period. And the High Court has dismissed an application seeking to evaluate bond terms granted to controversial businessman Jimmy Wanjigi. The prosecution argues that the anticipatory bail to Wanjigi does not reflect the seriousness of his case. The court instead extended the anticipatory bail terms until 8th of December 2017, when the case will be heard. Wanjigi, through his lawyer Otiende Amolo, has however been allowed to amend the petition and serve the parties within 7 days. Finally, blogger Abraham Mutai has withdrawn from the petition he filed seeking to bar presidential candidate Dr. Ekuru Okoth from participating in the October 26 poll. Lawyer Nelson Avi told the Court of Appeal that his client Abraham Mutai was coerced to withdraw the petition. The appellate court allowed the petition but directed the petitioner to pay costs to all the respondents, who included the Jubilee Party, NASA, Attorney General, and the Independent Electoral and Boundaries Commission. The respondents had argued that they had spent a lot of time working on their responses and needed to be compensated. Ben Chumba reporting for Scales of Justice.